Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is some pellets I haven't tested in this gun as yet, so I am going to be testing these for accuracy, see what they do out of this rifle, see what happened. I'm going to test it in this rifle right here, a Challenger 30 cal, so see what happens. As you all know, I like shooting as far as I can, which is like 90 yards tops for me because of my range that I have in the back of my house, the distance. Um, and accuracy is important to me. And I was just sitting here, I was talking on the phone, and I was looking at these, I was just opening the cans and looking at these pellets, just twiddling my thumbs. And I noticed, and before I even go further, and I noticed it marked JSB match Diablos. Right here, it says carefully selected. So I kind of want to believe when it says carefully selected will be the best pellets that they have out of their batch. And I was sitting down here going through them, just looking at stuff, and then I start noticing. You could tell there's a little off shape, like right on the top there, where the pointer. You could tell there's a little off shape right on the top, right up here. It's not, look at that, it's not completely round. Just deformity in the skirt a little bit. And I was wondering if that's why people get flyers and stuff sometimes, not paying attention. Look at this one right here. Probably that's the reason why people select their pellets if they're in a competition. Yeah, look at this one. I noticed one earlier that it was kind of oblong, like this way. No, it was oblong this way. I don't know if you guys could look right there. You could see it. It's not perfectly round. I show it if I put my calipers here and put my calipers there, I would get different reading right there. It doesn't look at it. It does not look round. Okay. And then I decided to open a can of FX. These look more, you know, even the skirt look a little bit thicker. The skirt look a little bit thick. They look better. I mean, I was searching through some of them to look way better. So I decided to open up a tin and take a look inside. These are the 44s, and these are the 50. So These look a little better. A little bit. I could already see that stuff hasn't been 100%. See that? So right there. Okay. So I already have a little smudge, and maybe it's a softer for that. I don't know. These maybe a little better. Maybe. So I guess not I guess I should have known better. When you are trying to shoot long distances, you should select your ammo. Look at these. Oh, look at that. Hold on. Look at that. So I guess you guys saw when I just opened this, I guess when you're shooting or trying to shoot long distance, you should select your ammo one by one. You should hand select them, because if you're not paying attention, you're gonna end up with like that one that I just showed you guys. I don't even know why I put it back in here. I don't even know why I dropped it back in here. But I hope I'll find it again, because I think I will be selecting my ammo from now on to try to get better accuracy. I probably might have just take it up and put it inside of my rifle and shoot, and just tell myself, oh, well, maybe I shake, maybe that one was a flyer. But you guys saw the one I showed you just now, and that's from a new can. So guys, my advice, just try to select your ammo before shooting, especially if you're trying to shoot long distances. Just select them. That's just my advice to you. Well, that one that I saw just now, I'm gonna have to go through these. That was crazy. That one was really messed up. And that was from FX. Yes, FX. 44 grain. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I will do some testing for accuracy on these, and these, and these. I haven't shot these either, so I will see you guys on the next video for testing. As a matter of fact, I will try to do more accuracy testing. Pay attention to my selection. Thanks for watching.